Ever wondered what powers the high-performance laptop you might be considering? Is it the sleek design, the crisp display, or something hidden beneath the surface? Well, it's the processor, the brain of your laptop that does the heavy lifting. Take, for instance, the AMD Ryzen 5000H series processors. They are the popular choice for high-performance laptops. Let's delve into the specifics of 3 models from this series. First up is the Ryzen 5600H. This processor is equipped with 6 cores and 12 threads. It boasts a base clock speed of 3.3 GHz that can boost up to 4.2 GHz. This means it can handle mid-range gaming laptops and demanding productivity tasks with ease. It strikes a balance between performance and price, making it an ideal choice for those who want good performance without breaking the bank. Next in line is the Ryzen 7 5800H. This one comes with 8 cores and 16 threads. With a base clock speed of 3.2 GHz and a boost clock speed of 4.4 GHz, it brings a significant performance improvement over the 5600H. This processor is suitable for high-end gaming and professional workloads that require extra cores. The cream of the crop, however, is the Ryzen 9 5900HX. This top-of-the-line processor also has 8 cores and 16 threads, similar to the 5800H, but it takes things up a notch with a higher boost clock speed of 4.6 GHz. What sets it apart is the X in its name, which denotes overclocking capability on some models. This processor is found in premium gaming laptops and workstations, and it is designed to handle the most demanding tasks. To summarize, if you're looking for a processor that offers balanced performance and affordability, the Ryzen 5600H is your pick. If you want a processor that can handle strong gaming and multitasking, go for the Ryzen 7 5800H. And if you're after top-tier performance and potential overclocking, the Ryzen 9 5900HX is worth considering, provided you're comfortable with the extra cost. But remember, the final choice boils down to your specific needs and budget. If you can pinpoint the kind of laptop tasks you prioritize, such as gaming or content creation, you can make a more informed decision. So think about what you need, weigh your options, and choose the processor that best suits you.